Hey, what's up guys? You can see I create Spatial scene on my Galaxy device like iOS 26 and this is really looking beautiful. Actually guys, yesterday I'm making video about Spatial scene, but many people ask me about this transparent clock, and guys, many people facing problem about adding image from sticker on their lock screen. Many people not create this spatial scene on their Galaxy devices. And in this video I'm going to show you how to create this spatial scene with easy method like this. So let's begin. Okay guys, I reset my lock screen and I will show you step by step complete easy method of spatial scene. First guys, you have to download this wallpaper on your Galaxy devices. This wallpaper's download link available on description. You set spatial effect with any ocean wallpaper. Okay guys, now you have to download this app also on your Galaxy device. This app also download link available on description. First choose your photo. I will show you this photo. First set this wallpaper, home screen and lock screen, and arrange this wallpaper like this. Now first tap and done. Now crop this wallpaper first like this. Now simply save as copy, tap on increase resolution. Now guys, remember, first go to Galaxy Store and download Good Lock. After download Good Lock, go to Lockstar module and remember, update your Lockstar module first. Now close all, go to lock screen, tap and edit lock screen, tap on clock, go to more clocks, tap on plus button. Now scroll and you can see this clock font. Select this clock font and increase size like this. Now scroll down, set this clock transparent, tap on white and set this clock transparency like this. Now you can see our clock looking completely transparent. Now simply tap and save. You can see our clock. Simply tap and apply clock like this. Now again tap and edit lock screen. Go to Lockstar module, tap on add widget, tap on photo widget easy, select widget. Now tap and add photo. Guys, remember, set corner radius 0. Now tap on apply and arrange this crop peak like this. If guys this image not arranged like this, then simply set wallpaper and fit your crop image with your wallpaper like this. Now you can see I will set crop image and tap on done. After set image like this, you can see spatial scene apply on your Galaxy device. You also arrange clock like this. Okay, let me show you another wallpaper. Now you can see I will show you with another wallpaper. Okay, this wallpaper, simply set lock screen and home screen. Delete previous image, arrange clock, tap on done. Now crop image. Tap and save copy, increase resolution. Go to lock screen, add this crop image. Tap on done. Spatial effect also apply with another wallpaper. So guys, you also set the spatial scene on your any Galaxy device with this simple method. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.